What's going on, you crew? Dustin Stelzer with Electrician U. Today, I'm tired. So I have been busy being a framer. You can see all this behind me. Past 2 weeks really. I've been moving into 2 different warehouse spaces. One of them is the electrical contracting side, trying to get all that set up to like have employees and have somebody answering phones and stuff like that. The other side has been trying to get my studio set up. So I figured I would kind of walk you through what I've been doing. First thing, I moved in and found out right away that the echo in this space, like it's just a huge box with nothing but flat surfaces. So it echoes nonstop. So I needed to figure out a way to soundproof. So I figured I need to build something. And the first thing that I thought about doing was building like something that would hang down and kind of suspend, like a suspended ceiling with carpet or something on it, and then try to build some panels out here. But I'm like, nah, that's just way too much work for the chance that it's not gonna be good enough. So I was just like, fuck it, I'm just gonna build a whole room. I got these 2x10s that I'm gonna stack over there, and then I just got a whole bunch of sheetrock. So I figured I was gonna just put like plywood on this and then put some insulation on the inside of it. Plywood's like 18, 20 bucks a sheet, and that sheetrock's like $7 to $8 a sheet. So I was like, sheetrock it is. So I'm thinking about putting some spray foam on the inside of this, or just getting regular insulation. Like really, I'm already in a box and I'm building a box inside of a box. I think any insulation is gonna be fine. I'm also getting a whole bunch of different like mic stands, and I'm gonna put mic stands up and have some different mics overhead. I'm experimenting with having some like mics in front of my face. So I've always thought about doing that too. Like when I'm standing here and you guys are watching, having like a mic right here while I'm talking. Probably gonna hit it nonstop because y'all know how I am with flailing my fucking arms around. So the first thing that I had to do was build a wall. This front wall is going to be kind of like the boundary. It's about 16 feet back, so I had to get 16-foot trusses to put up in the ceiling. But I have this little DeWalt nailer that I got. It's a full-size framing nailer, 3.5-inch nails. One thing that sucks about it is it constantly jams and it won't run a whole clip of nails through it. It'll go like 3 or 4 shy of a full rack of nails, and it just wastes those last 3. Every single rack you put through it just burns 3 or 4 nails on it. It's really stupid. But I love that thing, so it was really easy for me to put together, just battery charged. Then I took a powder actuated gun and I put these 2.5-inch nails down into the concrete, nailed in every single chase, and then got the wall standing up on its own. I had to make sure that I screwed into the wall, that I hit metal. So I put a whole bunch of 3-inch screws into the metal so that at least it was holding up to something. And then the next thing that I had to do was I had to build the wall that's at 90 degrees to this wall to help enclose it. So just built another wall. I had to leave a little bit of a doorway for a 30-inch door. I got this door from Home Depot, nice little 5-panel door, little decorative. It was actually like cheaper than like shitty doors. It was like on sale for some reason. I don't know, looks cool. I got some door hardware that I got to put on. So I picked out a kind of like this brushed brass looking door handles. I think it'll look really clean on the white. So I had to frame up that wall, and I had to make sure that I had a header above it and that everything was still braced, cripples, everything was good to go on framing. Not too bad. Framing, not too bad for an electrician, right? I think. This is all just from me paying attention over the years to job sites that I'm on. I've never done framing in my life. I mean, like, I've helped my dad on like side jobs and stuff like that, but I've never actually like been a framer. So anyways, there's probably some ways that I should have done things a little bit differently. So that, I got all of the walls up. I've been trying to like do episodes in the middle of all of this, and it kind of sucks because the background's not even done yet. So I have to get that background finished up. I am still gonna do the alternating, you know, like metal and wood thing, but I've got these shelves that I'm gonna try to hang. It's like floating shelves sort of, because there's a lot more books that I have that I don't have up on the background. So I just need to figure that out. I've got some other like colorful lights that I'm gonna put up. So hopefully I can like get some more dimension to it. But my goal with this room is for it to be completely black, completely dark. I'll probably have a big screen on that wall that I can draw on. I'm trying to figure that whole thing out because I don't want to spend $8,000 on a fucking touchscreen TV just to draw on it. That just seems asinine. But it would be a really cool tool to just be able to draw and like drag, you know, plugs and switches and stuff around and have like pre-made assets on it. So still trying to figure that thing out. There's a lot going on. I just wanted to give you guys kind of like an update of what is happening and where I'm at with it. I'm not far enough, but there's also only 24 hours a day, and I work about 20 of them every day, 7 days a week. I don't take fucking days off. And I probably need to like go on a vacation. I'm losing my mind a little bit. Yeah, hopefully I'll get this shit done and like taken care of soon. Thank you guys for sticking through all of the bullshit. I promise we'll get this figured out. Bye.
Descant music and video.